Pretty sure I'm in love with my tutor. What should I do?
Like goes like and then like
In which
I guess.
Why? Okay, I'll do it.
But why? Why are there building 12 lifts in building 10? Is this part of my degree? I love building 8, 10, 12 as I've been doing tours and explaining it as 8, 10, 12 because it's all one building. It's all one whole place.
It's like another dimension shift or something. I feel like that would be why. Does it
Yeah.
open on one side and close on the other?
Yeah, that's what I heard. In my first class, they told me about that. You got to just ask your lecturers. Ask your lecturers about the dimension shifts for sure. Yeah.
Ask around. Feel free to ask around. People are helpful enough and friendly enough to help you find your way there.
is it true that someone died in a revolving door?
Absolutely. Yeah, I think it was 2 of them at the same time.
Really? I heard 3.
Oh.
Actually, I heard that everyone just went there at once and just killed everyone.
Yeah.
in the RMIT ones are sometimes so slow you kind of suspect that
Yeah.
someone did because it would
They
have been
have
going
to-
too fast and then somehow they died and RMIT is like, nah, H&S. We
Now
are
we're
not
gonna make
having
them really
this. We are slowing these doors down to the state where students cannot even move through the camp.
One person per section, guys. One person.
Yeah. I smoked my assignment. Does RMIT have a backup system, Jess?
Like better than my dog ate my assignment. You just smoke it.
What do you think he meant by smoked?
Smoked!
Like,
Even though the
who-
computer just died.
Who like goes like and then like
In which case,
like it's all on the
yeah,
computer.
in which case, backing up still stands as the appropriate means.
And if you keep it up on the cloud, you'll never lose it.
That's right. And with Microsoft Outlook and 360, you'll be able to access the OneDrive, and then also we still have Google Drive going, so you can put your files on there.
Can I study on campus after hours? No. Don't do that.
Yes, you can. I'm not sure.
You can everywhere. There's so many places you can study. There are study rooms, there are private rooms, there are study areas, there are bean bags, you can chill, you can study. The city library is usually open till midnight.
I am.
If you swipe your student card, you can actually get in, I think.
Yeah.
It's almost like you cop back from going on.
But yeah, no, they are open. I think you can get the swipe cards to open you at any time. So
You can request an access key card from building 5 and you should be able to access a lot of facilities and study places.
we can let you study anytime you want to study, I guess.
Where is the best place to make out on campus? Ooh.
Do you have any secret spots?
Anywhere in public, just go for it.
In the
Anywhere.
city.
The vegan cafe, Bandura.
The rooftop building's got a nice view as well.
I reckon on top of Academic Street, like the new rooftop section.
Oh, you had that answer
Nighttime.
really quick there, Quentin.
Yeah, I was thinking about
You
it
had
the other
that,
day.
you had
Yeah,
that
yeah.
locked and loaded.
What about you, Jess?
Like, you'd like to be amongst nature, even though we're in the city. Like, definitely a good spot. Yeah.
Yeah, good rooftop dash.
Yeah. Not that you would do that at campus.
See how nervous I got there?
Just secluded places are highly recommended.
Maybe, I would say maybe in the library, they have this seating that kind of looks like a clam and it
Oh,
comes
the Death
down.
Star.
The desks,
I call it like the Death Star.
they look
thing.
like Death Stars.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
kind of clamp down and they look a little bit like a Death Star and there's a desk in the middle. Maybe you could snuggle up really close and put your arms around each other.
That
Put
would
your arms around
work.
each other.
Except for the Swanson Library is 100% packed all day, every day, so that's a little bit.
Oh, you know what though? After hours access, if you guys both
Oh,
have
yeah,
after
yeah,
hours
yeah,
access,
I don't know if there's cameras, but
No one said the lifts yet.
the lifts
That's
are like Grey's Anatomy style. That touche. But then again, there's so many other people in the lifts. Maybe the lifts after hours. In addition to
Just don't make out during hours is what Jess is trying to say. She just doesn't want to see it. But, okay.